Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia titanium espresso machine. But first a joke. What game does the sky love to play? Twister! Okay, back to the machine. So we replaced the flow meter on this machine. It wasn't detecting the movement of water properly. And so let's pour a shot. Get a nice shot of espresso there. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for testing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.